Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's Kitchen. Today we are going to make a chocolate cake. So let's get started. For this we need 3 eggs, 2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/3 cup unflavored vegetable oil, 3/4 cup unsalted butter at room temperature, 1.25 cup of 62% dark chocolate, half cup cocoa powder, 1.5 cup sugar, 1.5 tablespoon coffee powder, 1/3 cup cold milk, 1.75 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 0.5 teaspoon salt and 1.5 teaspoon baking powder. Now for the recipe, first for lining the 8-inch cake tins, take the length of a baking paper, approximately double the diameter of cake tins. Fold the paper to 1/8 fold. Next, place the corner of the paper on the center of the cake tin and then using scissors, cut the baking paper. Next, add oil at the bottom of the cake tin and place the baking paper on top of it. Repeat this for the second cake tin. Next, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius to conventional mode, that is top and bottom heat. Now for the dry ingredients, in a bowl sift flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder and salt. Mix this and put it aside. Now for the wet mix, in a bowl add chocolate and butter and microwave it for 30 seconds. Mix it again and microwave this for 30 seconds. Repeat this process until the chocolate is melted. Do not exceed microwave time beyond 30 seconds, otherwise it will burn the chocolate. Mix after every 30-second microwave because the chocolate may look like it's not melted, but mixing helps the chocolate to melt in its residual heat. Next, add milk to this and mix. To this, add sugar, coffee powder, vanilla, oil and eggs and whisk. Next, add the dry ingredients and mix using a spatula. Mix it using cut and fold method. That is, you cut the batter from the middle and then fold and then rotate the bowl. This ensures everything is mixed. Mix only until you can't see any dry flour. If you overmix it, it will turn into bread and not a cake. To this, add half cup of hot water and mix. Transfer this batter equally to the cake pans. Next, smooth the surface of the cake pans and tap it to remove the air bubbles. Transfer the cake tins into the oven and bake it for 40 minutes. Do not open the oven before 30 minutes, otherwise the cake will collapse. You can check when the cake is done by inserting a toothpick. If it comes out clean or if it has few dry crumbs, then it is done. If it comes out wet, then bake for some more time. Leave this cake cool down in the pans for at least 2 hours. Next, take the cakes out of the pans. If you cut a slice from the cake, you can see that the cake is very soft and fluffy. I have also applied chocolate ganache on top of the cake. Please let me know if you want to see the recipe for the chocolate ganache. Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.